You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people mispronounce. How do you say it? In India, it is generally said as Rohit, Rohit. Now in other English-speaking countries, it's often said as Rohit, Rohit. Easy, Rohit or Rohit. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See if you know a Rohit or you are one. Let us know how you pronounce it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.